Hi, welcome back to our channel Saha Computer Education Center. In previous videos, we have learned about static name range, dynamic name range with index function and offset function. If you have not watched those videos, the link has been given in description. In today's tutorial, we will learn the name range with table. This is very interesting. Watch this video carefully. You will learn lot of things. And this is the last video for name range. So this is the a data set where I will create a table. So first select this table and go to insert, click table or press Ctrl T. So click here, we got a dialog box, create table. So what is the range for the table? It is already selected. If the selection is wrong, you can delete it and again select this cell here. So in that case, it is correct. So I am not deleting it. And if you have the header row for this table, then you must check this checkbox. And if you do not have the row header, then uncheck this box. So in my case, I have the row header. So I check this box and click OK. I can see that a table has been created and table name has been assigned. So here I will select this and I will assign a new name. So student data, enter. I have given a name range for this table student data. Now if you go to formula and name manager, you can see a student data has been created. This is, see, these are the name range. Its icon are like labels, and this name range, that is student data, this one is looking like a table because this name is for this table and you cannot edit from here. Let's delete this. Now if I want to create a drop down list here for the student names, the important thing is I have to create a name range for student name as we learned previously. But in the case of table, we do not need to create any name range for creating a drop down list. Click the cell, then go to data validation, click list, then go to source and select the range. Then press OK. We got the name range here up to Santosh Mondol. And now if we add a new row, suppose Satik Das 45, 65, 52, 45. And here you can see Satik Das is added automatically, and in the validation you can see the range has been changed automatically. But if you wish, you could create a name range for that. For that you have to first type the table name, then the column header name within the third bracket. Let's see. Go to formula, name manager, new. Here I put student name, then here equal to our table name is student data. So student data within third bracket, name of the column, that is student name, third bracket close, then press OK. You can see here the range is selected. Now in the data validation, go to data validation and instead of this range I will press F3 and select the name range. OK, OK. See here the name range is created and it will be automatically increased if I give here 10 Monojit Roy. See here, the list is increased for Monojit Roy. So the both way, without creating the name range and by creating the name range, you can add a increasing drop down list, or you can say dynamic drop down list. So these range are dynamically increased. Now if I want to add the total of English, math, science and geography. So first let's delete this two row, and here I will do the sum of English, math, science and geography. So for English equal to sum, then select this one, bracket close, enter, equal to sum math, bracket open, bracket close, enter, equal to sum, bracket open, science, bracket close, enter, equal to sum, range for geography, bracket close, enter. We got all the totals. Now if I change the value, suppose here 72 in English, I will do 70. So I have decreased two number. So here you see two number is decreased. If you add new row, suppose 9, Satik Das, now number added 50. See, it has become 600. It has become 600. Now here it is 483 for math. I will add more 27. See, it has become 510. 24. I will add 76. It becomes 500, and for here I will add 70. See, it becomes 50. So automatically the range is changed and the numbers are added in the total. So using this table, the dynamic range creates automatically. So this is the best way you can use table for creating dynamic ranges. And more important thing is that when I create a new row, the formula from the previous row are automatically copied. I do not have to drag the formula down. So it is one of the important features, or it will reduce my workload. So this is all about dynamic name range with table. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos from our channel, please do subscribe our channel and support us. Thanks for watching. See you soon.